Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. God bless you, welcome back to my channel. I know myself the great Johnsonkeyz. So today I want to show you how to use some very nice altered chords for your 3-6-2-5-1 chord in the key of C. So let me play that first and then I'm going to show you. So listen to this. You want to play how it's your name, it's your name, oh Lord. So you gotta do something like this. How it's your name, it's your name, oh Lord. Right. Right? So I'm going to show you that very fast. I'm going to explain what is happening and also show you the chords I'm using in the key of C. Alright, but before then I want to introduce to you my advanced passing chord masterclass course that I just released, which is I sell it for 5,000 for people in Nigeria and then $15 for people abroad. And I did a version for C for people who play the key of C. I did a version for F for people who play F, and I did the version for F sharp for people who play F sharp. Right? Okay, so you should get your copy. How to get your copy? Check the comment section. My WhatsApp contact is there. Chat me up now. The course contains everything you need to learn about passing chords. God bless you as you do that. Right, God bless you. Okay, so we have a 3-6-2-5 here. So now we're gonna insert this chord, which is a sharp 9, sharp 5, sharp 5, sharp 9, dominant 7 chord, right? So in this case, I'm using E dominant 7. I have E dominant 7 on my left, E the 1, the third, which is G sharp, then D on the left. Some might look at this as upper structure, some might look at this as extended or altered chords, which is what I'm pushing tonight. So we have our 9 sharpened, we have our 5 sharpened, and then we have our 1. So together we have E, G sharp in this case, then D on the left, and then G, C, E on the right. So you can look at it as you have your dominant 7 chord, any version on the left, and then you have your chord, major chord. Yeah, something like this. Right. So that's upper structure. I've taught that before. If you've not learned about upper structure, you should comment in the comment section. I'll send you a link of one video I once did where I covered what is upper structure and then give some examples. And then I also did more in my intermediate piano course. You should get that also about upper structure and other chords. Okay, so now having said that, so I'm doing that on my 3, which is E, the altered chords. Then I'm playing normal 6, which is A, E, B on left, C, E, G, B on right. Then I'm going to do the same thing on D. So on D also I have a D, F sharp, and C on the left. That's D dominant 7. On right I have the sharp 9, sharp 5, and then the 1. So, and it sounds very cool. Then you go to your 5 chord, which is G, D, F on the left, then C, F, A on the right. This is also a form of upper structure chord, right? So let's listen to that again. How excellent is your name, oh Lord. Right? Okay, play so. Excellent is your name. You can also play this. Alright, God bless you. Make sure you click the subscribe button and share this with your friends. I love you. See you in my next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and also chat me up on WhatsApp to buy my advanced courses so you learn faster. Right. God bless you. Bye.